coffee grinders need love too. Today, we're going to show you how to give your coffee grinder a deep clean using Grinds cleaning tablets. Meeting the Grinds coffee grinder cleaning tablets, called the LULUGLITTER, a coffee grinder's best friend. First, ensure that your coffee grinder is empty. Remove any leftover beans from the bean hopper and coffee grounds from the ground collection container. For most grinders, 1 cup full or 30 to 40 gram of ground coffee tablets will do. Grinder pour the tablets into the hopper. Turn your grinder on and grind all the tablets thoroughly. They'll tackle all the old coffee residues and oil inside to ensure all Grinds residue is removed. Grind some old coffee beans, about 1 handful or 20 should do. For the freshest coffee, use Grinds cleaning tablets once a month or when you're switching between flavored and non-flavored coffee beans. And there you have it. Your coffee grinder is refreshed, clean, and ready for your next perfect brew. Cheers to great coffee!